Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. This is Ayush, and now today in this video we are going to talk about one of the more basic command, that is a cp command. Okay, so cp stands for just like copy. Okay, what we will do, like basically we will copy files and directories from one directory to another, or from one file to another, just like in Windows we do right click and click on copy and all. So same thing like will happen here, but using command line. Okay, or you can say using cp command. Okay, so let's start the tutorial. First of all, open up the terminal and let me increase the font size for you. Okay, now it's okay, and open these files like for your reference. Okay, so here it is. And now what I will do, ls, so here are some files. Okay, let me create one directory, copy command. Okay, I will move into this particular directory, and here also I will move in that directory. Okay, so here you can see there is no any files or directories here. What I want to create, I want to create files. Let's create one.txt. I will write this as one.txt file. Control D. Okay, here you can see one.txt file has been created. Now what if you want to create the copy of this particular text file? Okay, so how you can do it? So to perform this action we have a basic command, that is cp command. Okay, it stands for copy. So what we will do in a basic simple way, we will just give the file name one.txt, and where you want to create that particular copy. I want to create in the same directory, so I will just give the name of that file in which I want to copy that file. So here you will see 2.txt is not there. Okay, so what will happen in this case, like if the file exists, so it will simply override the whatever you have written. But if file doesn't exist, so it will create, and then after that it will copy the content of one.txt into 2.txt. Okay, so let me do ls, and I will try to read 2.txt. So here you can see the content of this particular particular one.txt file. Okay, so this is the one of the simple way in which we can copy files and files. Okay, so now what I want to copy this one.txt file into some other locations. So how we can do it? So right now where you are, let's check. You are in the this home Ayush copy command. Okay, I will try to split the terminal, so that will be helpful. Let me create one more terminal. Control Shift plus. I hope it is visible to you. Let me just reduce some size. Okay, so now what I will do, I will do ls here. Okay, now let's do pwd. Okay, and you are in the home Ayush right now. I will just copy this like path. Now what I want to copy this cp one.txt file at sorry, one.txt file at, let me paste home Ayush. Okay, and here I will create 2.txt. So here you can see there is no any 2.txt kind of file. Let's hit enter, and here you will see let's do ls, and here you will see 2.txt has been created. Let me open the check the content of that particular file. So here it is, this is one.txt file. Okay, it was a little bit difficult, because you will need to give the whole path where you want to copy that particular file. Okay, so in this way you can copy this like files in any location you want. You will just need to give the like whole path, okay, where you want to copy that particular file. Now one more thing I want to tell you guys. Let me clear the screen here also. I will do ls here. Okay, now what I want, I want to copy that file. Okay, but what if 2.txt file already exists? Okay, so what will happen? So now what I will do, I will add some more text in 1.txt. Some more text has been added in this file. Okay, control D. Now let's check the content of the 1.txt. So here you can see this 1.txt content, and let's check the content of 2.txt. It should be like as a similar one, 1.txt. Okay, now what we will need to do, I will also need to copy this 1.txt into 2.txt. Okay, so I will just try to hit the like previous command, but here what I will use, I will just hit the -I option. Okay, why -I option? It will just prompt you for file overwritten thing. Like if file already exists, so it will prompt whether you want to overwrite the content of 1.txt or not. Like because there is something else in the 2.txt. If you will without -I you will run this command, so it will simply overwrite the content of 1.txt into 2.txt. But using -I, what it will do, it will just prompt you for your decision whether you want to overwrite or not. Okay, so let's hit enter, and here you can see it is asking for overwrite and question mark, whether yes or no. I will just hit yes. Now I will try to check the content of this 2.txt file. So here you can see like it has been copied. Okay, I hope you got it, how you can do it also. Now what if I want to copy file 1 and file 2 into some other directory? Okay, so let me check ls. So here you can see 1.txt and 2.txt file is there. Now what I want 1.txt, 2.txt into some another directory. Same here in is the same case. If directory exists, then it will copy these files. If directory doesn't exist, then it will create a directory, and then after that it will copy that like these files into that particular directory. Okay, so how you can do it? Copy 1.txt, now directory name. So what you can write, copied files. Okay, let me hit enter. Okay, is not a directory. I think I will need to use -R option, maybe. Okay, let me create a directory copied files, and now let me try to copy these files into it. Okay, sorry. Let's check ls. I will move into this directory and I will ls. Okay, now these files has been committed. So in this case, it is not creating directory if that directory doesn't exist. Okay, so like in this way you can like copy more than one files into some another directory. Okay, now one more option is there. Like if you want to copy one directory to some another directory, you want to make a copy of directories. Okay, so how you can do it? I will move into the home directory. Let me clear the screen and then ls. Okay, so what I want this copy command, the copy of this copy command directory. So I will use cp-r for recursive, so it is used for the directory copies. Okay, so how you can do it, you will give the first the this directory name and another directory in which you want. So I will use copy command v2 and hit enter and h2ls, and here you will see copy command v2 has been created. Now let's move into this particular directory and ls. So here you can see like directories has been like copied. Okay, so in this way you can play with the copy command and all. Okay, so that's all for today's video, and I hope you liked it, and if you learned something new, then please do like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching, and we will meet in the next video. Okay, thank you for watching.